Hey, it's Donnie, and today we're going to talk about a winter preparedness kit for your car. Let's get rolling. Between the snow and the ice, the wintertime can be a treacherous time to drive. And these type of conditions require us to pay attention on the road. During this time, you should keep certain supplies in your car in case of a breakdown or a no start. Today we have prepared a list of simple supplies for you to keep in your vehicle. If your car doesn't start, the most important thing to have is jumper cables. Now you have two options. You have the first option, which is battery to battery hookup. Easy to charge your car, but make sure you have the correct way to use them and know the instructions. Second, you have a battery pack. These battery packs are pre-charged. You can carry them in your car. You just connect them when your car doesn't start, and it will charge your battery. You also want to be prepared in case your car gets stuck. If your vehicle gets stuck, you want to make sure you have a shovel. A shovel is going to help you dig your way out of the heavy snow. Also, kitty litter is very effective in being able to get your car unstuck. The reason your car is not going forward is because it doesn't have grip, and kitty litter is known to help solve that problem. Some additional items that will be very helpful are hand warmers, blanket, coat, jacket to make sure you stay warm, road flares or reflective triangles. You don't want anybody to not see your car stuck on the road. Lastly, just make sure you want to have a flashlight, non-perishable food, and bottled water. This is not meant to be an exclusive list, and if you have any ideas, please drop them in the comments. We would love to hear what you have to say. You can also go online on websites such as AAA and other travel experts to get more advice on how you should prepare your car or have a kit for the winter.